Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another scene that I've created using Blender 2.8 and the real-time render engine EEVEE. As you know guys, we have a very big mission on our hand. Our mission is to create but at least 300 Blender 2.8 scenes. So that is our mission. So this scene and many other are available on our Patreon page. For just $2 a month, you can get access to this and the entire catalog that we have there, which is like, by the time I'm recording this, is like we're around at number 16. I know it's a long way to go, but yeah, so you can support us. You can get access to this scene. Like I said, I'll start initially with these semi-realistic scenes, but as time goes, I'll start getting into the realistic ones, because like I said, I know most of my people, most of people here actually came from my membership website, the Animation Factory. If you don't know what the Animation Factory was, the Animation Factory was actually a website where we had a collection of multiple scenes, whereby once you were a member, you could get access to those scenes and you can easily start creating your animation. You could have ready-made scenes, you could rearrange the scene. So yeah, so it was actually a very exclusive thing, but I had to change up because we were getting old and we needed to change. And I also wanted to jump on this new mission, which is creating scenes for Blender 2.8 and the real-time render engine. And I've been working on my daytime job in advertising, and I felt like I couldn't be able to keep up with the website. And yeah, so anyway, we're here now. So yeah, so I remember, by the way, you guys keep on asking me about the Sintel 2 film. Like I said guys, you need to cool down. We're going to do it. We're going to make the film. Just cool down. We're going to release a trailer. Please don't pressure us. The more you pressure us, the more you make us sad, because we're busy and stuff. So we're trying to do this in our part time. Like right now it's midnight and I'm recording this, so it's quite sad that the Sintel 2 has been lagging for like a year. Our goal was to actually use the real-time render engine from the very beginning. So yeah, so just don't worry, it's going to be out. And like I said, you can get access to this scene and many other on our Patreon page for just $2 a month. Right now we have like about 16, but more being loaded weekly. We're adding at least at least 3 every week. So get on the wagon and be part of our community. If you haven't yet joined, we are actually a very small community, but a very powerful one. I've seen some of the animations you guys have made. I'll ask you permissions to post them here if you want me to talk about them. I really like them. I really like the way you guys are using the scenes. So yeah, thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. It's very important, because I've noticed most of you are not subscribing. So guys, go and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. It's really going to help YouTube know that we are a strong community. Goodbye.